In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can buy some SafeMoon. I will show you the step-by-step process on how to exactly buy SafeMoon. So if you want to find out what those ways are, then make sure to stick to the end. I promise you that by the end of this video, you will have some SafeMoon into your wallet. Let's get right into it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I help people to become the best version of themselves and achieve financial freedom. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to receive more amazing videos like this. Let's get right into the video for today. Alright guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy SafeMoon. I will be sharing with you my screen so that you can follow through step by step. Okay, so you're gonna need to go to Bitmart, and you can do that by, if you go to Google and you just type Bitmart, you go there and click on get started. If you don't have a Bitmart account yet, you will need to create one. So I recommend you create an account here. Okay. So after you put in your email and your password, there's going to be a verification code that will be sent to your email. So what you want to do is go to your email and get that verification code and come put it into this box right here. Awesome. So now once you've put in the code, it will log you out, and then you have to sign back in using your email and your password, and they will ask you to put another code which they will send to your email. So now once you finally logged in, this is the page that you are going to be brought to. Okay, so now once you get to this page, since this is a brand new account, obviously you don't have any money, there. So in order to have money here, I believe you would go to deposit. So you over here, select this section and then click on deposit. Oops. So when you click on deposit, yeah, it's asking you to set up a two-factor authentication. You don't need that right now, so just click skip for now. So when you're here, you can see I don't have any money in my account, right? This is just a practice account that I created. But anyways, so in order to buy SafeMoon, you need to have money into your Bitmart wallet. And to get money in there, these are all the coins that you can get to use to buy SafeMoon. Now the one that I recommend is USDT because it's a stable coin, and that means you don't lose your money. Like, the value never depreciates, it's always the same. So you would go over here and click on deposit. Now you want to deposit USDT into your Bitmart wallet, and the only way that you can do that is through sending. Let's say you have some USDT coins from another exchange, you can transfer it into your Bitmart wallet. So now there is an exchange called crypto.com, and this exchange allows you to easily buy cryptocurrency such as like USDT, and then you can use that, you can send that USDT to other exchanges. So now after this step, now you need to deposit USDT into your Bitmart wallet, and the way that you can do that is through crypto.com. So I recommend that you download crypto.com on your phone right now. It is an app. Download that, create an account, and once you create an account on crypto.com, then you will be able to buy yourself some USDT, and then you will be able to send it over here. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Okay, let's head over to crypto.com. Just leave this page open right now. We don't need it right now. We're going to go to crypto.com. So let's get right into that. Okay guys, so this is crypto.com. So once you go on your Play Store or Apple Store, download crypto.com, you create an account and everything, and you verify, do the verification and all that. Now you'll be brought into this page. Now since your account, my account is not new, I've had it for a while. So as a brand new account, I think there's like some verification steps that you need to follow. So you have to like verify your ID, your address and all that. So do that, and it takes about up to a day for them to verify you. Now once you've been verified, then you can start to deposit money into your crypto.com wallet. Now how to do that is basically, once you have been verified, you want to go to account, and then you go to your fiat wallet because you want to deposit money, right, cash into this wallet. So you go to fiat, and then you go to transfer, and then select deposit. Select the currency that you are in, whatever currency that you have. Mine is Canadian dollar. So once I select the currency, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an identification number, and that identification number is what you're going to use to e-transfer money into this email address. So this email address right here, etransfer@crypto.com, that is the email that you're going to use to e-transfer some money. And then when you're transferring that money, you want to put in the identification code on the note section. That way the crypto.com app will know that that money belongs to you, and they will be able to deposit it into your account. So identification number, put it into the note section, and send your money into this email address here. Okay, they say it can take up to like 24 hours for you to receive the funds into your wallet, but it can take less than that. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes. Like most of the time for me, it has taken me like 30 minutes. But anyways, once your funds has been reflected into your wallet, now you can buy yourself some USDT. So now go back to the home page and go to select see all, and now you want to search for USDT tether. So as you can see here, it is like right here, number 6. So you can click that, or if you wanted to make it quicker, you can just also search USDT and it will be right there. So now what you want to do is click on buy USDT, and then fiat. Select the fiat wallet because that's what you're going to be using to buy this cryptocurrency. You can use a credit card if you want. However, I don't really recommend it because they do charge some fee, I think 3% for when you're using a credit card. So it's kind of expensive, but you can use it if you are unable to transfer money into your wallet. You could also use crypto wallet, which I don't really think, I mean, you can use it if you want, but anyways, we want to use fiat wallet. Select that, and then you can put in the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to buy, the amount of USDT that you want to buy. So right now I'm not able to buy any USDT because I don't have enough money into my wallet. There's like a minimum that you're supposed to buy. But anyways, go through that process and buy yourself some USDT. And then yeah, once you put the number in, then you just select buy. Like that blue button would turn into buy, and then you would buy it. And then I believe you have to put in your code again. And then once that's done, Then you go to account, you select crypto wallet, and then you scroll down to USDT. You would see it, it's right there. And now you'll see how much you have in your USDT wallet. Now the next step, you need to get this amount of USDT into your Bitmart wallet. So you will select transfer, and then you want to select withdraw because we're withdrawing the money. And then go to external wallet. Once you click external wallet, you will be able to add. Anyways, I don't know what's happening, but it's not letting me do it. But anyways, so basically, yeah, you just go to withdraw, and then once you're in withdraw, you go to external wallet, and then at the top right there is a plus sign. Click on that, and you want to now create your wallet. You would write down the name. I would say name it Bitmart USDT wallet. So you want to go back to Bitmart, and this is where you will copy this code here from your, this is your, I mean, not a code, this is, you'll copy this address here from your Bitmart wallet, copy it, and then you will paste it into your crypto.com wallet, the wallet section that you're creating. You paste it there because that's where you're going to be sending the money. You're sending it to this address right here. Now the quickest way I do that, because it's a lot of words and numbers to type, so I basically would like copy and paste it into like my email or something, and then easily access it through my phone, or send it to myself, send it on Facebook, you know, and then copy and paste it from there. Awesome. So now you now have some USDT into your Bitmart wallet, and now it's time to buy some Safemoon. All right. So now how to do that is, okay, so go to spot, over spot, and then on the drop down menu select standard, and this is where you'll be brought to. And on here at the top right, just search for Safemoon. Whoa, it has gone up by 45% in the past 24 hours. That's awesome. That's so amazing. Okay, so once you select Safemoon, just go down to the bottom, and then you can put in the amount of Safemoon that you want to buy. Honestly, I feel like this exchange sometimes glitches. Like sometimes I'm putting in the amount and it doesn't really show the price and all that. It's so weird. But yeah, just play with that. Okay, put in the amount of Safemoon that you want to buy, and then yeah, select buy Safemoon, and there you have it. I hope that was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I hope that we will all become rich with Safemoon and all of the other cryptocurrency. Man, I'm telling you, cryptocurrency is changing life. It's making people to become so wealthy. And I believe that Safemoon is one of the best coins to get into right now. Because, guys, it will go to the moon. Mark my words, it will. And there you have it. I hope that was very helpful for you guys. I hope now you will be able to buy yourself some Safemoon and become wealthy. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking around to the end. I'm really grateful to you guys. If you enjoy this type of content, you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, also learn how to improve yourself, become the best version of yourself, how to learn about investing and saving and all that amazing things, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive more contents like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.